FMA Song of the Year nominees are Multo, Coco Joe, Manila, Dianella, Aura, Four of Spades, Damn, SB19, Kalimutan Ka, Scuss the Clean,
And the song of the year is... Multo, Coco Joe! Hello po. What's up, Moa? Unang-una po gusto kong magpasalamat kay kuya ko, Kuya Red. Kaming dalawa yung nagsulat ng multo dun sa childhood room namin. Kaya kuya, kung wala ka, wala kami dito. And ayun, syempre sa mga kabanda ko, sila yung bumuhay sa sinulat naming kanta. Grabe ang gagaling nila, solid. And kasama namin nag-record ng song sila Kuya Abs, Kuya Jabez, Cairo, and especially yung aming producer, si Kuya Shad, tapos si Jobel. Solid kayo. And most especially sa aming mga fans, mga jowas. Maraming salamat dahil minulto kayong lahat. Patuloy nyo lang. Thank you very much. Sana hindi kayo makalaya!
Album of the Year nominees are Beanieverse, Beanie, Silakbo, Coco Joe, Himig at Pag-ibig, Earl Agustin, Method Adapter, Ellie Buendia, Simula at Wakas, SB19.
And the award for Album of the Year goes to... Silakbo! Oh my God! What the fuck? Oh my God! Hello po, maraming salamat po. Itong Silakbo po, ito po yung baby po naming 5. Itong album po na to, we wrote this album as a couple of teenagers in a classroom na gusto lang ma-share yung mga windows ng buhay namin sa buong mundo, pero hindi namin inakala na ganito yung magiging recognition niya. This is a story of our pain and healing, kaya salamat po sa lahat ng
sumuporta sa album na to. Hindi na lang po ito kwento namin, kundi kwento na nating lahat. This is Silakbo Album of the Year!